welcome to the transformation of this bedroom. Are you ready to see all the work we've done in this room and to see the final space? Hello and welcome to the transformation of this bedroom. Okay guys, so this is what the room is looking like so far. We have the bed here, all this needs to be cleared out, we rolled the carpet up, and we're going to do something very exciting to these wardrobes over here. They're going to have to wait and find it and see. Okay, so over here, we're going to be taking out these two doors here and adding a little reading nook, which is going to be very nice. We're doing it all ourselves, well, myself. And yeah, we're going to change the handles on these here, just some like gold or brass or some bit more of a pop, changing all the colors. We're moving the bed over to this wall here, changing the light, adding some artwork, some mirrors, making it a bit more exciting. The floor is staying, which is fantastic. I like the floor anyway, so that's good with me. But before we do all of that, we have to clear this whole room out, cut this MDF that's behind me here, which I'm dreading because I'm so nervous with that, but we'll be fine. This is the part I'm most nervous about. I don't have any safety goggles, so I'm just gonna wear these sunglasses. Once this part's over, I feel like I can relax then. I mean, so far that's really easy. Not doing too bad. 1/4 of the way there. Okay, that's the first section taken off. Is it 100%? No, but we'll get the sander out and we'll sand it down to make it more smooth and straight. But you won't really notice any because I'll be painted. We just need to cut this part off now, and then we have to cut out the curve. So, wish me luck. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we succeeded. Ooh. We succeeded. Thank God. Okay, that's the end of day one. That's what it's looking like so far. Really nice. Okay, day 2. Are we going to finish it today? Yes. Well, let's hope so anyway. Hello and welcome back to this crafty DIY project. So, yesterday we got this arch built and we have the base of the bench in. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek here. This is what it's looking like. It's gonna sit in here. Yeah, it's gonna sit in behind the arch, like so. And it's gonna be painted the same color, nice fabric, cushion there. And yeah, it's all gonna look fantastic. So, that's what we're going to do today. And I think if I get that fully finished today, I'll be happy. Oh, it's gonna look fantastic. So let's stop hanging around chatting and let's get to work. Now it's time to make the actual seat part, which is I'm kind of nervous about because it's a bit more accurate. You can't just wing this one. It has to be, you know, very precise. And I don't know if I'm good at this. So I think I proved myself to be an expert so far, but this could be, you know, the final straw. I don't know. Let's have a go at this anyway. So I've just measured it out and now I'm just going to mark it and then we're going to cut because that's all you have to do. I haven't cut this type of material yet, so this could be interesting, but I think it'll be okay. Can't see why it would fail on me now. Ooh. I try to remove this plastic first though, just so it doesn't get in the way. Bear with me. I just don't want there to be anything that could get caught in the blade because that's like my worst fear. These are boys. I almost forgot my headgear. That could have been a disaster. Huh, so far so good. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down because it's making me nervous. Whew. Okay, so quick update. We have this area all painted, which is fantastic. Look at my hair. Oh my goodness, I'm not even going to acknowledge it. Now I'm just lining the walls for the ceiling colour, and then to separate the ceiling colour from the wall colour. I'm going to drop it down just a bit just to make it a bit more interesting. So that's the vibe that we're going with. I think it'll just be really cool. I mean, you're going to see what the colour is in the next clip, but it's like a pink, like a blush pink colour, which I think is really cool. So let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, if my hair doesn't sum up exactly what this is. Okay, so now it's time for the ceiling. We've done all the walls, everything else, just the ceiling has to get us done. Hello. Are you ready to see all the work that we've done in this room and to see the final space? So come on. So as you can see, it's a big difference. It's a bit more colourful, a bit more fun, a bit more exciting. Perfect for a young girl. So where do I even start? I suppose we'll start on this wall and we'll work our way around to the magnificent work that went on over here. So I just painted all the walls white. If you notice, I painted the ceiling this beautiful blush pink colour. It really just, it makes the room feel so much taller because the ceilings are quite high in this house anyway. I thought it was a wonderful opportunity to be a bit exciting and try something different. And then we have the beautiful desk area over here where she can do her homework, read, because she loves to read. We got this desk off IKEA. This is the perfect size, doesn't take up too much space, and it's quite contemporary as well. Now just the mirror should be down a bit lower, but we'll get there. And then over here there's going to be a swing, but it hasn't been put up yet, it hasn't came yet. So that when that comes, it'll be going up here, which will just finish off this section really nicely. And then I done some really fun. I added wall-to-wall curtains over on this wall because she has blinds, so these can be closed off for privacy and everything else. So I just thought that was a really cool idea to just elongate this space and make it feel a lot more like plush and exciting and comfortable, because that's what a bedroom is, isn't it? Just comfortable and luxurious. These curtains are from H&M. They were really, really well priced. I got like 6 packets of them and screwed them up. These tracks actually are fantastic if you're ever in IKEA. They attach to the ceiling, so they really give you that kind of floor to ceiling level look without that price tag of having to get curtains made and everything else, because most curtains now that you get in the high street shops are 2.3 or 2.4 to 2.5 meters in length, so you can kind of taper them in if you need to make them shorter, but that extra length, so it gives you that opportunity to do so. And then over here, my client had this existing day bed that we just kind of worked with, and it's a lovely kind of nice square one. It's from Movables in Galway, I think. It's a lovely grey colour. It has this like wood effect grain, which is really nice. And it's really cool because you can sit up here. You know, I'm not going to sit next to him. I don't want to ruin the bed. It took me a while to get it to look like this. You can sit up here, read your book, you know, have a nice time, you know, and she has her friends over. You know, someone could be sitting here, people can sit on the bed, someone can be sitting in the hammock over here, which, you know, just imagine that. See, I'll put a picture on the screen so you can see what it looks like. And then this would be nice, you can kind of close this off so it's a bit more private. Just creates a really nice kind of comfortable space, like it's a bit more kind of, you know, subdued. I'll sit on the bed so you can kind of see it's a bit more private. So you can imagine when you're sitting here reading your book, hello. You know, it's a bit more kind of, it's like a cave, which is very nice. And because my client loves to read, we decided to build in over here a built-in reading nook, which is really fun. By these hands made this, so I'm quite proud of it. And we painted the whole wardrobe this beautiful blue colour, these beautiful brass handles from Zara Home. Really nice, you know, it's very nice. We actually added a magnet to this door here so that when it closes it kind of snaps closed, because before it kind of just ended here. So it just kind of makes it a bit neater. And then in here, this is the exciting part. This is a lovely little read nook, so you can go right in. There's actually lighting built in here, so when she's in here, you know, she can. It's actually a lovely viewing spot from here. Actually, it is with the curtains, so she can even pull them across. You know, bit more private, which is very nice. I just love that it's like almost like cave-like. There's so many little nooks and crannies that you can kind of go into and kind of make the space your own and hide away from the world, and you know, read your books and just escape reality for a bit. And we have got new light up here as well from Woody's. These curtain tracks, I'm obsessed with them. I just think it's such a cool idea. Like, it's very like 60s or something, where you can just pull them across, and it's a great way to divide off a space. I mean, it doesn't have to be just a bedroom. It could be a living room, a dining room, an open floor plan space. Like, you can just kind of close them off. It doesn't close the space off, but it gives that feeling of, you know, a bit more comfort and a bit more cozy. And I'm obsessed with it. And then we had this lovely little rug from H&M as well. I just love the kind of raised panels. Kind of creates a really nice geometric kind of effect, and it just kind of grounds everything together. Because I felt like it needed that kind of, you know, it has the same kind of colour as the curtains, so kind of it's that neutral balance between the pink and the blue and the gold. And it's really nice. That side table, actually, I'm obsessed with. This was from Cave Home, and it's solid brass. Like, it's actually quite heavy. If I lift this up, like, it's it's actually quite heavy. Really nice. It just kind of adds that, you know, it's just nice. It adds a bit of lightness to the space as well, and a bit of colour and a bit of shape, which is quite nice. And the beautiful art prints that my client also loves so much. Sorry, I'll go back to here because I will talk about this a lot, because I handmade this myself. We had these beautiful reeded panels down here, which was a job and a half, I will say, but I just think they create a really nice effect. They kind of separate this section to the actual wardrobe section. I like that the shade of blue in here is darker as well. It just kind of adds that depth to this space, so it's not monotone. It has depth and it's exciting. And loads of cushions. I just love cushions. I think it's so plush and exciting. That's this room, and I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you might have learned something from it and be able to inject into your own spaces, because, you know, you don't have to spend $1 million. It's like $1 million. It looks all very high end, which is the main thing, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It was a labor of love. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot more room transformations coming. I think in 3 weeks I have another one coming out, so you don't want to miss that one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.